I clean the mirror really well with white lightening, Dixie Belle furniture cleaner and a toothbrush, which allows me to reach these tight places. Once I've done it with cleaning, I rinsed the mirror twice only with water. I applied the adhesion primer Slick Stick from Dixie Belle in 2 layers, and once I was done with both coats, I let it dry for about 24 hours prior to painting.
On the first coat, I started to apply mint julep on the half of the mirror by dabbing it to create a soft texture. On the other half of the mirror, I applied vintage duck egg, and I think the combination between these two soft colors is so gorgeous. I didn't blend them too much at this point. We will blend them properly on the second coat. On the second coat, we will apply the colors the same, but we will blend these colors nicely and do a bit of dry brushing as well. I blended the colors into each other by dabbing them, and with the leftover paint I had on the vintage duck egg brush, I just went over the mint julep details. It looks really pretty this way. It looks like a quarter of the mirror mint julep and 3/4 vintage duck egg. I sealed the mirror with 3 layers of flat clear coat, letting each one to dry for 2 hours in between, and then I applied golden gilding wax because I feel it's more sparkly if applied after sealer. Anyway, I applied the wax all over the details with my finger. It's super satisfying, to be fair. In a few hours, I buffed off the wax with a cloth. Then I used water and a blade to remove the paint of the mirror. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like this tutorial or it inspired you in any way. See you soon. Bye!